asamalita Lawrence Masase ose bling bling una bakondoka nkagaiga na nche no mo kuriginde kia kumu ward 2027 kabono rende nonye kimbwate gangeyo na teni kurigire sana na etase registration center ya IBC igari tierio nkanyoranga etano is very poor. So undaga sabe abasaye baminto nonde bwensi otaranyore otarabwate ketambulisho oso otarabwata kadi yo kwa kekura kamuranje togende tubwate kure eyo egetumwe kubeka barai bari tutagete chiobis chieto ase chikura chia 2027 ase ncho monyene inde ready montonde bwensi orache ori otarabwata otara register kuno gocha na bongo ko mbaka ase registration center at my cost, and we are targeting ogia kumuwodi ntagetaba mura na baiseke abasaye bande bonds otara bwate kura ntagetaba abantu ang 1000 new register. That's my target. Tocha kurubu mwanda twende bunyando twende bugia kum abantu abonsi ntagetaba chikura egere 2027 tinda yokora pata potea nda tokore tuake kura limo toko na abantu abagaka abanya utusumbua cyabuno musaye kijensi kiane tutokeleze tuende tufanya nini tuchukue okura kwa sababu aim yetu 2027 ni ku make sure tumeka yule mtu tunamtaka kwa kiti. Na kwa wale wanaimba one term, wale wanaimba two term, the only solution, the only way to vote those people you don't want and those ones you want is to have a voters registration ID. Kama hiyo hauna basi tunafanya kazi ya bure. Tafadhalini go out and get that tool to elect the person you want. And to the government, I'm requesting that to put these registration centers close to each and every person, more especially to the polling centers, because now it's really hard. It's challenging for people to travel. For example, now someone who wants to take who wants to register from Mosando, he has to travel mpaka Iterio abachiko chenjirie kura ya yororo niga asia nkongu igoto gosabe serikali yaito ebeke erigererie yari pataisia mangana yoko register egere kiro muntu amanyenga registration negenderete woni go konyora abantu ase rituko labda umuntu oyo munebe ko registered no ba clerk abantu ba ko register mbabu atigasi ba ko be service batabu atigasi ende ba ko. We can have an option onye ba konyara bacha goeta ekinyora ase ekinyoro onye ikonyarikana kanye te konyarikana barete this service close to mwananchi, more especially banyareta nge maybe as a polling centers kiro monta sa goeta onye nyora agera register na omwaki ekura emyaka ego omwako go 2027 ase gabo tuyamba tigire gabo kamoranje ori utarabwate ekura enda chukua sira yako.